Hi, my name is John Howard and this is the Kahr Academy. Today I will show you how to disassemble your California compliant 380 pistol. When disassembling any firearm, the first thing to do is to make sure that the firearm is safe and unloaded. So you want to remove the magazine and then check the chamber to be sure that it's empty. The disassembly process involves first retracting the slide until the witness marks align between the slide and the frame. At that point, you should be able to push the slide stop free of the frame. If it's stuck or stiff, you can take the bottom of a magazine or the disassembly tool and press the slide stop pin through from the opposite side. That will allow you to remove the slide stop. Allow the slide to move forward slightly and insert the disassembly tool. Pull the trigger, bring the slide forward until the cocking cam becomes visible. At that point, remove the disassembly tool and the slide will come completely off the frame. Remove the recoil spring assembly and then you can remove the barrel. At this point, you have disassembled your California compliant 380 pistol. To reassemble your California compliant 380 pistol, simply reverse the process. First, take the slide and reinsert the barrel. Then reinsert the recoil spring assembly. At that point, you can return the slide to the frame, and by aligning the witness marks, you can reinstall the slide stop. Check the pistol to make sure that the slide moves freely, and to test the striker mechanism, reinsert the magazine and pull the trigger. At this point, you have reassembled your California compliant 380 pistol. This has been the Kahr Academy. If you have any questions about our products, please visit www.kahr.com.